Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode we are restoring headlights using an eBay headlight restoration kit I found for $20 online. 3 easy steps. It recommends using a drill. Also recommended, you don't have to use it, painter's tape just to mask off the area around the headlight so you don't damage any paint around your headlight. As you can see, there's a yellow tinge to the headlight from sitting outside in the sun, getting stuff baked into it, sitting on the boat coming from Japan, you know, all that good stuff. Much more noticeable down here. The kit that I bought, this one here, allows for 2 headlights. I'm going to stretch it and try and get these done as well, so we'll get right to it and see how we go. Alrighty, so we're done here. We've sanded from 800 grit, 1200 to a 2000 grit, and then we've polished it. I polished it twice just to make it nice and, you know, good. And then I'm just gonna coat it in some snow foam spray wax. The kit comes with a UV protectant liquid, but I'll just chuck some of this on. It's pretty good stuff. One spray, give it a nice wipe. This stuff smells like bubblegum as well, so extra points. Nice and smooth and protected. Alright boys, that was just a quick one. That's a wrap on doing the headlights. Look bloody good in my opinion, worth every dollar. $20 spent, and they come up bloody beautifully. You could obviously do that yourself if your headlights are faded or need some work. 20 bucks, have a look on eBay, get a kit for yourself. Obviously you don't need a drill, you don't need the tape. It's just recommended to use the tape because you're sanding the headlights and you don't want to damage your paint around it. Obviously the drill just speeds up the process, otherwise you're just going to have to do it by hand. And if you are going to have a crack yourself, don't stress out on your first few stages of sanding. The headlights will be very foggy. Trust me, just stick to the plan, keep going. Once you hit that 2000 grit sandpaper, once you've cleaned that off and given it a polish, it comes up mint. Don't stress out. Cheers for watching, everyone. Just a short, sharp video to start off my year 2022. Just quickly, I hope everyone had a very happy new year. Hope everyone's looking forward to 2022. You know, feeling positive about it, because I know I am. I've already managed to fly to work in a different state in Australia, fly back home, which is already a massive improvement from last year. So I'm stoked. If you're looking forward to more videos with the Chaser and maybe some other cars in the near future, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see more. So I'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching.